Good evening, respected teachers, my seniors, my juniors, my classmates, and our passed out super seniors. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I welcome you all to this virtual celebration. And for beginning the program, I request Sonaldi to please inaugurate the program by lighting the lamp and our prayers to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Sonaldi, over to you.
Thank you so much, Midul. Good evening, everyone. तो अज्ञात को मिटाकर ज्ञान का दीपक जलाया है. गुरु कृपा से मैंने अनमोल शिक्षा पाया है. Good evening to one and all. We have gathered here today to commemorate the efforts of our teachers who have believed to be the second parents and guiding masters of our career. It is an honorable occasion for all the students to wish our gurus on this Teachers' Day. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. So let us start this program by lighting the lamp virtually and worship Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna and Goddess Saraswati.
उसके बाद
Can we please take a 1 minute to worship Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna and Goddess Saraswati?
Yes, the
Thank you so much, everyone. So we will start this virtual program by Guru Vandana, which will be performed by Devasmita Roy from 4th year. Devasmita, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, please.
Am I audible, Sonal?
Yes, you're
yes,
audible.
Sunati, we can hear you.
Good evening, my respected teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I'm glad to join this event today, as I never thought I would get the chance to join any event of this university again. But as exams are not yet conducted, so we are still to this family. I am very much grateful to all my teachers for always guiding me. So I would like to pay tribute to all my teachers through a Guru Vandana. Sonal, is it visible?
Yes, you're visible.
yes it is, yes it is. Please skip others videos.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Devospita's amazing performance?
That was a perfect start for the program with Vandana. There goes a popular saying in Sanskrit, Na gururadhikam tattvam, na gururadhikam tapa, na gururadhikam jnanam, tasmai sri guruve nama. There's no reality beyond the guru, the teacher. There's no austerity greater than the teachers. There's no knowledge greater than the teachers. So before such great teacher, I pray before the great teachers. So with this, to begin today's program, I request our respected Supratim Roy sir to please bless us all with his words of wisdom. Sir, over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you
Hello?
are. Yes, sir.
So good evening to all of you. It is
Good evening, sir.
a nice experience teachers have come. So feel good. So message we received. Nice to see Sylvie also. Sylvie, Rita,
Sir,
many- So-
Mridul, it's a kind request to turn off turn the mic of the people who are because sir is not audible.
Yes,
Hello?
sir, I just turned it.
Yes, please.
So many students are there. Nice to see them. So for us, it is not only the 5th September. Anindita also there. Anindita also there. So what to say? All throughout the 365 days or this class, we are teach you. Now regarding this 5th September, my only submission is that you may be going many top positions or in higher place, but keep your moral values because the humanity is day by day decreasing. And we feel in every respect of life. So I will feel good and respect your teachers from heart. It is, and we can feel the vibrations. We can feel the vibrations that not by saying that good morning, good evening, by thinking also you should respect us. Huh? So we want to listen from all of you. I am listening the programs. So thank you all.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words, sir. Sir, it is indeed true that 5th September maybe is celebrated as Teachers' Day, but for us, sir, every day we can consider is at the Teachers' Day because your efforts are constant, sir. We receive your efforts, your cares, and dedication for us all through the 365 days of the year. Sir, now I wanted to, sir, request our Sanjeev Das, sir, but unfortunately, due to the demise of Sir's mother last Tuesday, he could not be among us today. So next, I'd like to request Nirbam Das sir to please bless us with his words of wisdom. Sir, please.
Am I?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. My dear student, I'm really delighted in this virtual Teachers Day 2020. I'm really enjoying, and I thank you all for arranging this virtual teacher day. On this, I appreciate to all my teachers right from my school days, whose effort has helped me cross many hurdles. The COVID-19 lockdown proved to be a blessing in disguise, as it enabled us to learn a lot of virtual tools, and I'm learning lots day by day. And it is shaping a new teacher-student bond. Really shaping a new teacher-student bond. Even last few days, I'm interactive here. Even though I'm in class, I interacted with them for 3 hours, considering days, and I enjoyed a lot. And with this, from the students' support only, I'm honing my teaching skill as well as learning newer things. Till group, I'm learning all the things which the students are creating a avenue for me. So thank you all. I wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Thank you, Mridu.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great honor for us all. So it gives me immense pleasure to announce that we have now 95 plus participants in this meeting. And as Google Meet has just the capacity, oh, it's 98 now. Google Meet has the capacity of just 100 students. I wish I could accommodate more 100 so we could all attend this grand program. So to take the program forward, I request Shonik Da from 4th year to present before us a melodious song. Shonik Da, over to you.
Hello.
Yes, Shonik Da, we can hear you.
कदम बढ़ा ले, हदों को मिटा ले, आजा खालीपन में फीका घर तेरा, तेरे बिन खाली आजा खालीपन में, तेरे बिन खाली आजा खालीपन। रंगरेजा 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 ओ रंगरेजा पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था वही था वही था वही था वही था जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था वही था वही था वही था वही था वो जो मुझ में समाया वो जो तुझ में समाया भला वही वही माया जो तुझ में समाया वो जो मुझ में समाया मौला वही वही माया कुन पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन सदकल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम रंगरेज़ा रंग मेरा तन मेरा मन ले रंगाई चाहे तन चाहे मन रंगरेज़ा रंग मेरा तन मेरा मन ले रंगाई चाहे तन चाहे मन सजरा सवेरा मेरा तन बरसे गजरा अंधेरा तेरी जलती लाओ सजरा सवेरा मेरा तन बरसे गजरा अंधेरा तेरी जलती लाओ तेरा मिला जो तेरे दर पर से ओ मौला मौला कुन पाया 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 कुन जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था वही था वही था वही था वही था जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था वही था वही था वही था वही था पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन सदकल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम थैंक यू
That was such a melodious performance, Shonik Da. I must say, no program of our department is complete without Shonik Da's song, and our ears are just blessed. Like I request everyone for a round of applause for our Shonik Da. Please, everyone. Rightly said, when we have no one to support, we have our teachers. They just, when we are lost in the middle of the road, we have our teachers to show us the way and to move forward. So now I request our beloved Abhishek sir to kindly put before us his experiences and bless us, sir. Sir, please.
Thank you, Mridul. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much, all. At the beginning, with prayer to Goddess Saraswati and deepest gratitude to our Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan sir. At the outset, let me speak that it really gives me immense amount of pleasure to see that the students of our department have organized such a wonderful virtual meeting on the eve of Teachers' Day celebration. It gives me really lot of joy and pleasure. Now, what to say as we are speaking throughout the year? Uh, See, there are few things I would like to address on this particular day. As a student, you should always keep yourself motivated across the all the times that whatever things you are going to learn now, you should utilize it to the fullest extent and bring it into practical application in your life so that you can have a wonderful career ahead. uh, this Teachers' Day celebration is celebrated throughout the country, and everywhere you can see the teacher and student bond, which is not limited to the boundary of the 4 years that you are spending over here. It is a timeless boundary because I still remember my school teachers, my nursery teachers, my college teachers, my university teachers, and those students who have passed out from our department, they are still remembering us. And today only morning, few passed out students have called me, greeted me, and it was a wonderful, nice feeling that yes, students are remembering us, and we can get in touch with them regarding what they are doing, how they are planning with their future endeavors and all that. So basically, what I would like to say is that keep focused yourself, focused on what you are here in this particular time frame during this particular 4 years. With that, because you have come into such a wonderful discipline or professional course which is having ample lot of scope and opportunities, whatever you want to do, in whatever dimension you want to move your career, in this particular course, I always is a strong believer in that you will have lot of opportunities which will come your way, and I wish you all you attain a lot of success in your life and become very successful in your future. Thank you once again. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Your words are indeed inspiring to us, and we do have a wide scope to explore post this course. And I must say that each of our teachers constantly they do tell us from time to time regarding the scope of this course and the various fields we can go for. It is not just the lessons of the books that the teachers give us; they also give us a lot of life lessons as well. Next, in the performances, we have our beloved super senior Richa Di, who will be performing a melodious song before us. Over to you, Richa Di.
Hello everyone, very good evening teachers.
Good evening, good evening. Nice to see you, Richa.
Thank you so much sir. আপনারা কেমন আছেন স্যার?
ভালো ভালো, খুব ভালো। তোমাদেরকে ভালো দেখে আমরা আরো ভালো হয়ে গেছি।
আমরা তো আপনাদেরকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না স্যার।
Hold on, just hold on. Now can you see me?
Yes sir, now it's okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, proceed. What you want to perform?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আজকে টিচার্স ডে ছিল, একটা বাংলা গান একটা হিন্দি গান আমি
Thank you all, thank you.
তো আমি গান গাই। হ্যাঁ, শুকনো পাতার নপুরি পায় নাচিছে ঘূর্ণি বায়, জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায়, জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায়। দিদির বুকে শত দল দলি জড়ায়ে বকুল চাপারে কলি দিঘির বুকে শত দল দলি ঝরায় বকুল চাপারে কলি চঞ্চল ঝরে না জল ছল ছলে চঞ্চল ঝরে না জল ছল ছলে মাঠে পথে সে ধায় জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায় জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায় বন ফল আবরণ খুলিয়া ফেলিয়া আলো তালো এলো কেশ গগনে ফেলিয়া বন ফল আবরণ খুলিয়া ফেলিয়া আলো তালো এলো কেশ গগনে ফেলিয়া আগুনে জ্বলেছে যায় মেলিয়া দলিয়া দলি দোসর কায় জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায় জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায় শুকনো পাতার নপুরে পায় নাচেছে ঘূর্ণি বাই জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায় জল তরঙ্গে ঝিলিমিলি ঢেউ তোলে সে যায়
Thank you so much, Richa Di. A big round of applause for Richa Di. Yes, yes. You have indeed made the environment of the house very melodious, and with this beautiful Nazrul Giti.
পার্টি আছে এখন আমি একটা গান গেতেছিলাম
Sure, Di. Please.
Okay. कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला हाय रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे कदक न भाले न जाने न धाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका মনটা রে कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला हाय रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न धाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका মনটা রে फतेह करे गिले सारी भेद जाए दीवारे प्रेम कोई सिंध लागे लागे अगर मगर बारी बारी जिया कोई उछाले जिया नहीं गेंद लागे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका মনটা রে कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला हाय रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो माया नमक लगाए रे দিশাহারা কেমন বোকা মনটা রে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
Thank you so much, Richa Di. We love both your Bengali song as well as this Hindi performance. It's just wonderful. We must say Richa Di is a very good singer, and she has also many videos on YouTube. We all can watch that and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for the melodious performance, Richa Di. during this pandemic time, we witnessed a lot of changes, and this education sector witnessed the greatest changes. But the teaching learning process was never interrupted. Our teachers swiftly adapted to this modern means of teaching through virtual classes, and they took our class in almost every possible way, from live video lectures to the video classes, and then notes, presentations, everything. They provided us help in every possible way, and our classes are continuing in a smooth flow. And by this time, we have already completed more than 1 unit of every subject. So we are much thankful to you, sir, for taking all the efforts for taking our class even through this virtual means. Next, I would like to request our respected Adwa sir to please bless us with his words of wisdom. Sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you so much for organizing this wonderful Teachers Day celebration. It's really a wonderful program, and I'm so proud to the capability and the innovative thinking ability to come up with this kind of idea. I have never thought that it will be possible to celebrate in this manner, but you have come up with this idea and you have made it possible. So I'm so proud to be a teacher of these students. And only two thing I would like to tell you on this day, that to keep on doing the hard work. Please do continue to do the hard work, and also stay focused. Hard work and focus. Please do remember this. And with this, I wish every one of you a very successful future. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your blessings, sir. May we all live up to your expectations and make you all proud, sir. Sir, yesterday evening, as we are planning this program, I was just wondering, will we have around 50 participants? Will we be successful? But now I must say we are having 100 plus participants, and I am receiving repeated messages
Yes.
from WhatsApp that please accept my invitation, please let me in. But I am helpless because we already have 100 participants. Our pharma family is indeed very big, and even if at 250% capacity, platform couldn't accommodate us, and the 100 participant platform is doing no justice. So
Yes.
yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Next, sir. Next, I would love to request our Partho Palit sir to please share his message before us all. Partho sir.
Sir, you are muted. Partha sir, you're muted.
Okay. So now I'm audible.
Yes, sir. We can hear you perfectly.
Yes, we
Loud and
can
clear.
hear you now.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
Thank you, Mridul. Thank you for wonderful arrangement this year, particularly in the context
Yes,
of
sir.
such horrible pandemic situation throughout the world. So you have done marvelous job. So by utilizing this platform. And second thing, I am very much delighted this year, particularly our pass outs, some students, they have joined with us. I'm really happy to, in this particular auspicious moment, I met with them. Third one, I'd like to share with you. So every fourth year around your some very tough knowledge of pharmaceutical theory and practical, I would like to say, so post-pandemic, I think we have to pray for you as a teacher, but I could not as a teacher. We have to faith on Almighty so that He bless us as well as our beloved students, so that as well as soon as we get recover from this pandemic situation. And fourth, apart from your teaching, learning as pharmaceuticals, so many research, so many things I would like to say. So you in future just build up your confidence, trust, and make a situation with your all seniors, juniors, so that with the help of our teachers, like we'll all always with you, so that you can definitely in the coming world you will definitely explore in post-pandemic situation. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
This pandemic indeed has been a challenging time, and I know our final years, seniors are indeed in a state of quite a stress because they aren't able
Yes,
to
yes.
give the exams nor apply anywhere. So it has indeed been a tough time. So I pray that we come out of this as soon as possible. May we all be safe and secure. Next,
Definitely, definitely.
yes, sir. The most important thing about music, any song, is its melody, and it's the melody that attracts us all. So next, for the performance, I want to call Melody to make the house melodious with her song. Melody, over to you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Melody, we
Yeah,
can hear
yeah.
you. You please continue.
Good evening to everyone. पहले गाना गाने से पहले मैं 2 लाइन श्लोक सबके लिए गाना चाहती हूँ, टीचर्स लोग के लिए। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मायने मेरे शिमले निराहे चंबा कितनी दूर। मायने मेरे शिमले निराहे चंबा कितनी दूर। शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना चंबे जाना दूर है चंबे जाना दूर। मायने मेरे शिमले निराहे चंबे कितना दूर है चंबे कितनी कदूर। होलाइया मोहब्बता दूर दराजे हाय लाइया मोहब्बता दूर दराजे अखियां तो हो या कसूर है अखियां तो हो या कसूर। मायने मेरे शिमले निराहे चंबे कितनी कदूर है चंबे कितनी कदूर। थैंक यू।
Melody, that was a really melodious song. May we have a round of applause for her. So this song, Maini Media, is basically a Dogri folk song, and it's from Jammu, and it's about a daughter who is asking her mother, "Mother, how far is the road to Chamba?" So we are having songs from every culture, and that's indeed beautiful. So moving on with the program, this year's Teachers' Day is very special for us because we have 5 new teachers among us this time. So we welcome all of our teachers, new teachers, Ram Sahu sir, Rati Tripathi ma'am, Manjari ma'am, then Ravi sir and Parthupratim Kashyap sir to our department. And it's the first Teachers' Day program in the department and we are holding it virtually. So So next, I would like to request our Ram sir to please put his views before us and message before us on this auspicious day. Sir, please.
Thank you, Mridul. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Uh, Very good evening, my dear students and colleagues. First, I would like to thanks for organizing excellent virtual event and making this evening wonderful for us. On this occasion, just I want to say something that being a teacher are just like your second parent and help to recognize your talent and goal. Also, the teacher plays significant role in shaping the life of the students. We are always there for you for resolving your problems. Yeah, sometime we have to harsh because we want to you to grow and be a good individual persons. So that's teachers we are sometimes harsh. So finally always be determined on what you want and work thoroughly to reach your goal. I'm sending an abundance of love, light, and blessings to you all. God bless you. खुश रहो, सुखी रहो. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, it's indeed true that teachers are like our second parents. And here in the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Assam University, sir, all our teachers are so approachable, so reachable. Irrespective of the time, we can contact them whenever we are in any doubt, we're in any kind of confusion. We always have our teachers with us to help us. Next, I would like to request our Rati Tripathi ma'am to please share her message before us on this occasion. Ma'am, please.
Yeah, Mridul. I'm glad to see,
Yes.
each one of you taking such a good initiative and organizing this day virtually. I mean, it was never expected that, this will happen. And I would like to thank all of you for your warm wishes and wishing everyone the same. As you know, we all are students and teachers forever. So let's keep inspiring others and also keep learning from each other, because many times teachers also learn a lot from the students. So and stay safe, and best wishes for your brightest career ahead. Be happy and enjoy each and every second of your life, whether it is peaceful or painful. Remember that after every night there happens to be a beautiful morning. So always be positive. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. And we are so happy that we could surprise you. We could bring a smile to all of your faces. And that's our greatest achievement, ma'am. And ma'am, next.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, like since we have 5 new faculties in our department, but it's very much unfortunate that we couldn't have that much of time to interact with the new teachers. So we will miss, especially we final year students will miss you very much, ma'am, and all newcomers, all the
We too,
newcomers.
dear students. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, Sonaldi, it's indeed true that we could not spend the last semester of your year together. And this pandemic indeed shattered many dreams. We are bound to organize it in Google Meet, but that's indeed a good thing that 100 plus students have joined us today. So continuing the program, I would love to invite Doipayanda to please present before us a melodious performance. Doipayanda, please. Doipayanda? Are you here, Doipayanda? The panda is currently unavailable. So next, I would like to request Sindhuja Di from 4th year to present a recitation. Sindhuja Di, please.
Am I audible, Middle?
Yes, you are.
Good evening to all my respected teachers, to all my fellow juniors, to all my respected seniors and my classmates. Myself Sindhuja, and today I will recite one Bengali poem written by Kartik Ghosh, Tumiyo Bolbe. Before that, I want to recite two lines on Guru Vandana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Ve Namo. Tumiyo Bolbe, written by Kartik Ghosh. ভালো মেয়ে ঠিক কাকে বলে জানো? ভালো ছেলে মানে কি? তুমিও বলবে সহজ প্রশ্ন মাপকাঠি একটি। যে মেয়ে অঙ্কে পেয়েছে 100, যে ছেলে ভূগোলে সেরা, তারাই তো ভালো, সবাই বলছে হীরের টুকরো এরা। কাগজে তাদের ছবি ছাপা হয়, টিভিতে দেখায় মুখ, ওদের জন্য আমরাও তো ভাই আনন্দে ভরে বুক। তবু কেন জানো তোমাকে বলছি, দেখে শুনে পাই ভয়, শুধু এত এত নম্বর পেলে ভালো ছেলে মেয়ে হয়। আচ্ছা ধরো না, যে মেয়ে পেয়েছে অঙ্কে অনেক কম, ওর গান শুনে মুগ্ধ সবাই, হাততালি হরদম। ওই যে ছেলেটা পাশ করে গেছে এবারও টেনে টুনে, বলতে কি ভাই আমরা অবাক হই ওর আবৃত্তি শুনে। নাটকে ওর নেশা আছে খুব, পরের বিপদে ছোটে, পাড়ার তিন্নি বাংলায় নাকি 30 পেয়েছে মোটে। কিন্তু মেয়েটা খেলাধুলোতে 10খানা গায়ে নামি। সত্যি বলো তো, তুমিও বলবে ওরা নয় দামি? চাই অনেক ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, চাই আরো ডাক্তার, পাশাপাশি চাই শিল্পী, খেলুড়ে স্নেহময়ী সিস্টার। কম নম্বর পাওয়া ছেলেটাই কারিগর বলে আজ দেশটা গড়তে ওর হাতে দেখো কত দরকারি কাজ। পরের দুঃখে কাতর জেনে মুখটা করেছে কালো, কম নম্বর পেয়েছে বলে কি বলবে না ওকে ভালো? অভাবের টানে কলেজে পড়েনি, ছোট দরমার বাড়ি, তবু ছেলেটা বাবা মাকে দেখে ভাড়াতে চালায় গাড়ি। তাই বলছি কি, শুধু নম্বর হয় নাকি মাপকাঠি? ভালো ছেলে মেয়ে বলতে কি ভাই মানুষ চাইছি খাঁটি। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you so much, Sindhuja Di. May you have a round of applause for Sindhuja Di. It was indeed a very beautiful recitation, and the poem too had a very beautiful meaning. As every one of us do not understand Bengali, so I just want to translate the essence, that it says that not the one who secures 100 in mathematics or geography is the one who is to be called good. Even the one who secures 30 in any subject can be equally good he or she may be good in the sports, he may be good in any other activity. So just on the basis of marks, we cannot call someone good or bad. Thank you so much for this beautiful recitation, Sindhuja Di.
Thank you, Mridul. Thank you, Mridu, for translating. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So now I would love to request our Manjuri ma'am to please share her message before us. Manjuri ma'am. Probably ma'am isn't here right now. I'll contact her. In the time being, we can hear Dipayanda's song. Dipayanda, are you here now?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Dipayanda, we can hear you.
Okay. Good evening, teachers, respected teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, Dipan.
Welcome, sir. गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना दे मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। आइयों कहाँ से गोरी आंखों में प्यार लेके, चढ़ती जवानी की ये पहली बहार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dipayanda. I will have a round of applause for Dipayanda. With his guitar, he has indeed made a very beautiful environment in the house. And that was a very melodious performance, I must say. And Dipayanda also performs frequently on YouTube. His music videos are available on YouTube. We may all listen to them. So next, I would like to request Partho Pratim Kashyap sir to share his views before us on this day. Partho sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Mridul. And hello, am I audible? Actually, my network condition is not that good.
Yes,
Sir, you may
audible.
turn off the video,
Okay.
so sir, it will be fine, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful program. Actually, it is beyond expected. So you have a lot of potential. Actually, each and every one of you have a lot of potentials. Go ahead. And I'm very I'm very lucky to have you as my student. So lastly, I would like to wish you all a very bright future ahead. So thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you,
for
sir.
your blessing. And next, I would like to request Ravi sir to share his views among us. Ravi sir, please. Sir?
Hello, students. Am I audible
Yes,
to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. So, good evening to all my dear students and my colleagues. I think all are senior colleagues. And as you know, I am the last batsman in the line. If you will count, I will be 11th batsman, isn't it? So, definitely all first down batsmen, all batsmen have put on sixes on the board, but definitely I will put singles and doubles. And anyway, yesterday I was thinking of Teachers' Day. Some of my students calling me and wishing, and I am thinking this time we have to skip these Teachers' Day celebrations. But suddenly one mail came, and I feel very nice. And today I am seeing you guys are organizing a wonderful event. Definitely, I was not expecting this much. And thank you for this to all my students. And 2 points I will put here. This pandemic situation made such an impact that I am teaching my students, even if I'm not seeing their faces. I'm not able to see their faces. So very pathetic situation I feel. And second point I will tell, my blessings are always with you guys. And generally I will tell to final year students, all the best for your future endeavors. Whatever you will do, I think, I expect you will do good. And other students, first year, second year, and third years, keep on doing hard work, because there is no substitute for hard work. Am I clear? One day or the other, you will get the success. With this, I am taking off. Thank you. Final thank you to all and giving me an opportunity. Bye. Over to you, Mridul.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it was a sixer speech, sir. And sir, thank you for your inspirational words. And we haven't got your class yet with the third year
Yes.
students, and we
Yes.
expect to receive to attend your class soon in future or in the next semester, and that too physically. Now we just want everything to normalize, sir. So
Yes,
now
yes.
Manjari ma'am is there, so I request Manjari ma'am to please share her views with us.
Good evening, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, first of all, I want to thank you so much. I didn't expect that this time we have this celebration, but this was very nice and very good ideas. You guys have made a virtual Teachers' Day celebration. Thank you so much for inviting me. And I just want to tell something that in this pandemic situation, be strong, take care of yourself and your family members. And you guys are very, very sincere and very hardworking, all of you, all four there, all the families. You guys are very hardworking and very good. I just want to future, especially for your friends. I just want to wish all the best for your bright future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are indeed happy that we all could surprise you all, teachers, by celebrating this event virtually. Like, I must thank all my classmates, seniors and juniors who made this event successful. And I must say that our final year students, the fourth year, who is the final year, so they were the most excited for this event because it's probably their last event in the department, and it was their requests were overpouring that please organize this. And all of they have joined also, and it gives us immense pleasure. And even our passed out seniors are also here. So next, I'd like to request Politi to perform before us. Politi.
Yeah.
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay, fine. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to my beloved and respected teachers, and a very good evening. And a very good evening to my seniors and all the people who have joined this event and making it a successful one. Today, before I present a song, I would like to say a few lines, because I feel like I have always dreamed about giving a speech on my farewell day, which is not possible, I think, because of the current pandemic, I understand. So I'll be really open today, and I would just speak my heart out on this occasion. For I'm getting this last chance to interact with my pharma family, maybe for the last time. So my journey started on 2016, and when I look back, the poly I was in 2016 and the poly I see now, I'm really proud. I'm really proud because my teachers, this university, have immense contribution that have changed me a lot. I used to sit back. I used to be a backbencher all the time, and so many teachers like Andy sir and so many teachers, they used to scold me and tell me to study hard and would put me in the fourth bench, making sure that I'm paying full attention. So when I look back to that day and when I look now at the present situation, I feel so blessed that maybe because of all those, I am the person who I am today, just because of the immense contribution my teachers have given, my parents, and also this university have given me a lot. So I just want to express my gratitude and my love for my teachers and the new faculty teachers. I mean, we were not that lucky that we could get much time to interact with them, but I'm sure I'm looking forward that in future maybe we'll interact more and I'll get to know them better. So okay, so today during this lockdown phase, I have noticed a lot of people are trying to learn a lot of things, starting from cooking to painting to doing a lot of online courses. So I wanted to try my hand on this instrument called the ukulele. And it has been 1.5 months and I'm just a beginner, but as this is my last opportunity maybe to perform for my department, for my teachers, for my juniors and seniors, I just managed the guts and I said I'll perform. Although I'm a very poor singer and just a beginner, but I'll try my best. So here it goes. It will be a short one. Anyway, so I'll start. I'll start with Shambhi Koi. From the movie Aisha, and singers are Amit Trivedi, Nikhil D'Souza, and Nifman Pinto. So here I go. Am I audible? Is the ukulele audible?
Yes, you please continue.
Ekdom.
Okay, thank you guys for cheering because I'm very nervous and excited.
Please continue. We're excited for your performance.
With this instrument and the best. I'm learning from YouTube, and that's all. So yeah, I'm very excited.
All the best. দিয়ে যাও, আমি তোমাদের সাথে আছি।
Okay, thank you. So here I go. शाम भी कोई जैसी है नदी, बहते हैं जैसे बह रही है, कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमे धीमे कह रही है, कहीं ना कहीं जागे हुई है कोई आरज़ू, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से है मैं और तू, कि बूम 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 तारा तारा खामोश तो, कि बूम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश जो, ये गुमसुम है ये फिजा, जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाह, गुमसुम है ये फिजा, है ना। Thank you. That's all. That's all I could manage, and that's all I could learn. Thank you so much.
Polity, that was an amazing performance. That was indeed beautiful, and your newly acquired skill during this lockdown, you have made this lockdown quite fruitful, we must say. A round of applause for you. And you have played your new instrument really well, and your ukulele looks very pretty in the yellow color. As rightly pointed out by you, many teachers, our teachers like Andy sir, Rati ma'am, they always take up students from the last benches and shift us to the front benches, and indeed that helps a lot. We might at that instant we might hate that, but gradually as time passes by, we realize that indeed that was the thing that changed us, that improved us, and we are much thankful for that.
Here saying that in this 4 years course of time, one thing that I've realized honestly is that our teachers are always always welcome students who are not that bright like me. Honestly, I'm just a mediocre student or an average student. They always welcome students with open hands and make sure if you need any help, they are always there. So yeah, I agree with you, Mridul. Anyways, I give this program to take a lead. Mridul, to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dee. Next up we are arriving towards the end of this program. So we have just 3 to 4 programs left. Next, I would like to request Amit Datta from second year to share his thoughts on this occasion. Amit, are you here?
Yes, Dada. Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you. You please continue.
So am I visible, Dada?
Yes,
we can hear you. We can see you.
Your head is only visible. Make it more visible, please.
It's okay, sir, Dada.
It's perfect now. It's perfect.
Good evening to all our respected teachers, my seniors, super seniors, and my fellow classmates. I am Amit Datta from 3rd semester. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day on virtually. First of all, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during the lockdown. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but also motivated us during the lockdown. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As a teacher, Vice President and Second President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all the teachers gathered here, to all those who have helped me to attain success in my academics. As we all know that it is impossible to define a teacher, as teachers are not limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our teacher and make us ideal citizens of the country. Secondly, teachers are second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding child's character and each and every step. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to convey our best wishes to teachers today in recognition of their undeterred efforts. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Your words are indeed true, and our teachers are indeed working so hard for us. And this Teachers' Day is the right occasion to thank them all. So, continuing with the program,
Before
we
you
have.
continue the program, I would just interrupt. Can we have a huge round of applause for Amit, please? He had
Yes, yes, of
given
course.
us
I just missed that. Yes, Amit. You just- So, next up, we have Pornavi from second year. She will be reciting a poem before us all. Pornavi, over to you.
Yes. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, Pornavi, we can see you, we can hear you.
Okay. Firstly, a very good evening to my respected teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. And a happy Teachers' Day to my respected teachers. Today, I'm going to recite the poem Hope is a Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson. Hope is a thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and so must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity. It asks a crumb of me. Thank you.
Well said, Pornavi.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Pornavi. And you recited the
Thank
poem
you.
really from your heart. That was so evident. You spoke every word from your heart, and the poem too was so meaningful. Next up, we have Raju Shah from second year. He will also be sharing his thoughts before us. Raju, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Am
Yes,
I
Raju.
audible?
Yes, Raju, you are audible. You may begin.
Thank you. First of all, I want to wish to our respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. So today I am going to recite a very short poem, 1 or few minutes more. The title of the poem is I Want to Be Like You. So without any delay, let's start. Thank you, teacher, for being my life's role model. Thank you, teacher, for being my life's role model. When I consider all you have taught me, I want to be like you. Smart, interesting, and engaging, positive, confident, and yet unpretentious. Thank you, teacher. Yes, I want to be like you, well informed and easy to understand, thinking with your heart as well as your head, gently nudging us to do our best with sensitivity and insight. Thank you, teacher. I want to be like you, giving your time, energy, and the talent to ensure the brightest possible future for each of all of us. Thank you, teacher, for giving me a goal to shoot for. Thank you, teacher. I want to be like you. And lastly, I want to add 4 lines to all of my teachers. अंधेरों से लड़ने का जो हुनर सिखाया, अंधेरों से लड़ने का जिसने हुनर सिखाया, उज्जवल भविष्य का जिसने राज बताया, चलो उनको नमन एक बार करे, आज सभी गुरुजी का दिन है आया. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू.
वाह वाह वाह, राजू क्या बात है. That was a excellent performance, a very good. beautiful poem, and lastly the 4 lines of shairi that you added. Chand laga diya. A big round of applause for you,
Thank
Raju.
you. Thank you.
And indeed, we are so thankful to our teachers. You have rightly pointed out. Next up, we have a dance performance. So this dance is being performed. It's a duet dance by Pornobi and Ananya from first year. So I'm presenting it. Are you? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes,
Can
yes.
you zoom the screen a bit, Mridul?
Okay, I'm just doing it.
Yes. Mridul, can you kindly turn on the audio?
The audio of this dance song is muted. Please kindly unmute the audio.
I thought
Mridul,
that
you
I
can do
have the
one thing.
notification.
You can start it from the beginning and unmute the audio because the performance, we actually
It was
without the
for
audio,
the deaf people.
yeah, it's hard to enjoy.
Is the audio not? You can't hear the audio?
No, we can't hear the audio. We can just see it. The video is visible, but the audio is muted.
Okay. I'm just rectifying the
yeah.
issue. Just a moment.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Take your time.
Okay, this is actually our second last performance. Next, we have a performance, a speech by Kainazdi. With this, we'll wind up. So, this presenting the second last performance of the day.
really graceful. Indeed.
Yes, that was a indeed beautiful performance by Ananya and Pallavi. Since it was not possible to for both of them to get connected and dance together during this times of pandemic, so they just sent me the video and I presented it, and even in the second attempt it went well. So I congratulate both of them for this beautiful performance. They are indeed good dancers, and we expect to see you dancing in more programs in the future. So moving on to the last performance of the day, and may I request Kanasdi to please put forward her views. Kanasdi, over to you.
Hi Mridul, thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, Didi, we can hear you.
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you smiling.
Yes, I'm smiling because you guys have made me so emotional, because I can't imagine, and I'm like sitting here awestruck that this is my last year and it's just zipped in and just came to an end like that only. I never thought that I will be sitting at my home and celebrating Teachers' Day behind a screen. So I'm sitting here and I'm like thinking from the very beginning, from 2016 and all that, what memories I had. So, good evening, teachers. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Very
So-
good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. So right now, I'm singing a song. The song it's more like a message, because whatever we are facing is completely new to us. And this situation has taught us how to stay strong, how to believe in ourselves, and how to, like keeping our calm. So it's more than a song, it's a message. And the song is like, रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. So yeah, can I start? No, Shubhapri, I have not yet sung.
Please, I'm so excited for this song.
I
It's
have
one of
just
my favorite
recited
songs.
the line.
Wow.
This is
Mashallah.
one of my favorite songs. Yes, me too. Go ahead.
That's a perfect ending song for us. It's on such an inspiring note.
Sir,
Please continue.
Subhanallah.
Yeah,
Kanasdi.
thank you so much. रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है. सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है. जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले हैं अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाती है दिन इंतजार के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. साथी ना कारवा है ये तेरा इम्तिहान है, साथी ना कारवा है ये तेरा इम्तिहान है. यूं ही चला चल दिल के सहारे, करती है मंजिल तुझको इशारे. देख कहीं कोई रोक नहीं ले तुझको पुकार के, ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. Thank you. This is what I could manage. I'm not such a good singer, but
Wow. Wow.
It was a wonderful performance, Kanazi. It was so
so much. Thank you.
and describe with words how much I love this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Satisfaction.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
কি বলবো মানে কি বলবো এত ভালো
কিছু বলিস না তুই ভাই.
Kanazi, I also
very excited.
request.
I'm telling Sivapriya is excited today.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
very happy to see you, sir.
That could also perform something,
Sir,
sir.
he is always
Very-
like this.
very
And
happy
I
to
don't
see you,
want to
sir.
say the name that you gave right here in this open platform, but you know, the name that you gave, he is like that only, sir.
Kanazi, I request you to go for the valedictory session and forward the vote of thanks.
Yeah, sure. So, yeah, I consider it as a privilege to propose the vote of thanks to everybody who have witnessed this memorable event. All my amazing teachers, my wonderful friends, and my very dynamic brothers and sisters. You know, the best and beautiful things, they can't be seen or they can't be felt by heart. And a thank you is one such prayer. On behalf of my whole Pharma family, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for making us what we are today. Because teachers are the clay that mold us in what we are. You know, whatever we wear, and you have changed us completely. I thank all my teachers. Filled our days with joy and wisdom. My words are not enough to express the gratitude. I thank all of you for being such amazing person and for your little advice for our life. I thank Sanjeev sir, I thank Shubhratim sir, Nirupam sir, I thank Abhishek sir, Lal sir, Rati ma'am, Manjari ma'am, Partho Palit sir, Partho Pratim Kashyap sir. I thank Parhi sir, I thank Lal sir for joining us in our little virtual celebration and making this occasion a memorable one and gracing this occasion. I thank all my friends, all my brothers and sisters for their patient participation and amazing performances. As we have finally come to the end of this get together, I would like to say that times like these are very challenging, and but if we keep our calm and believe in ourselves and the Almighty, then we surely can make it out. The essence of the fruit is tested best at the last, and I believe last will be the best ever I feel. Rati ma'am said that this is not a beginning, this is a new end. So all this is, I'm sorry, pardon me, this is not just an end, this is a new beginning. I wish everybody a good luck for the future. Once again, thank you from the core of my heart, and a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to all. Thank
Thank
you
you
to
so
all
much,
my respected
Kindness.
teachers, my seniors and juniors. So
Thank
I
you,
have also my
everyone.
sister with me. She has been constantly coaching me.
Sir, one request from my side, sir. I am Shubhapriya speaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you there, sir? Nirupam, sir?
Sivapriya.
Sir, I have got this news, sir, that you can sing so well, sir. So, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
So, sir, please, sir.
Abhishek sir.
You, sir. You, sir, and Abhishek, sir.
Not me.
Yes, sir.
joins.
Please, sir, it's a
Abhishek sir, you have to sing a
Abhishek
song.
sir,
for it.
Abhishek, please not.
Sir, you have to
Yes,
sing a
sir.
song.
Yes, sir. Please accept the request of the final year students. Sir.
Sir, this is our last time that we can hear you, sir. Please, sir, you have to sing a song. Any song,
I
sir.
request
whatever.
Abhishek sir to sing a song for us. Abhishek sir. Abhishek. Abhishek. Abhishek.
Sir, you both
Have a
can
duet.
Nirupam,
together,
Nirupam,
sir. You and
you
Abhishek
are
can
playing
sing
so
together.
hard,
Sir, you
na.
can
The
also
ball
sing
is in
a
your
I
court. You are
understand.
passing it to mine. Students
my
are
request.
requesting you. Go ahead. You
Sir,
have to sing
Abhishek
for
sir,
them.
Nirupam
Yes.
sir, both of you have to sing the song. Please, sir.
Yes.
I was going to come to our Abhishek sir too, but one after another.
Yes, yes, yes. One after another.
Bye bye, sir.
Sir, it's a request, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yes, sir, please. Please, sir. All of us are requesting, sir.
Please, sir, sir. Please, sir. Just 2 lines, sir, will be enough. Just 2 lines. Only 2 lines. Not more than that. I will not ask you, sir. Just 2 lines, sir. We literally miss
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Please, sir.
Sir, please, sir.
Whom
Sir,
you
this
are
will make this evening much more memorable.
Abhishek.
Nirupam, please don't put the ball in my court. The students have requested you. You proceed.
Sir, the ball is in both of your courts, sir. Please.
Sir.
I'm in the runner's end. Okay, he is in the striker's end.
But sir,
We are playing tennis, sir. We are playing tennis, sir. Sir, we are playing tennis, sir. We are playing tennis, sir. Doubles tennis, sir.
ठीक है
That
सर
side,
निरुपम
sir,
सर
you
का गान
do,
दिए
sir.
now निरुपम sir একটা গান and let me come in. I was so thrilled, so happy, so much. I don't have words to explain that. See, we are taking regular this online virtual classes, but I get very less opportunities to see so many number of the students, because most of the students are in the video off and mute mode, and if somebody is asking question, then also he will unmute or she will unmute and ask the questions. We will clarify the doubts. But today, so many performances, right from the speeches, recitations, wonderful songs, and the dance, meaningful, very meaningful recitations. Everything was so beautiful. It touched the heart. And I know you presented it in a very short span of time, within 2 hours. But I also understand that it took lot of time, lot of practice, hard work, devotion, in order to put it in such a nice and very lucrative manner. So thank you all the students. I guess we will be in touch. We will be in connection with each other in the coming days also. So now, please, Nirupam sir, you fulfill the request of the students.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, sir.
Yes, sir.
But sir, that's an escape, sir. Escape plan, sir.
Sir, that was a speech, sir. That was not a song, sir. You have to sing also.
No.
Please, sir.
I know why Shiva Priya is throwing the ball in my court. I know.
See, nowadays
Anyway.
I don't listen. Yes, please, Nirupam sir.
Anyway, I'll not sing. I don't know how to sing.
Abhishek sir, if you can start, sir, we'll join you.
No, listen, the problem is that nowadays I have left listening to songs. Earlier I used to listen to a lot of songs, and I'm not in a position to right now sing. Anyways, I will just try to sing 2 lines for you.
It will be a
One of
revision.
my very,
Thank you, sir. 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 Thank you, sir.
Yes, one of all-time favorite song. This is,
Yes,
I
sir.
think, someday, long time back, your very pass-out seniors or super seniors or something, I have sang this song in front of the students also. But anyways, this is very close to my heart, very meaningful. So just 2 lines from this song.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, welcome. Listen. भवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल, कब से संभाले रखा है दिल, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए। भवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल, कब से संभाले रखा है दिल, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए। गगन से भी ऊंचा मेरा प्यार है, तुझी पर मिटूंगा ये इकरार है। तू इतना समझ ले मेरे हम सफर, तेरे प्यार से मेरा संसार है। भंवरे की गुंजन है मेरा, कब से संभाले रखा है दिल, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए। ला 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 ला। थैंक यू।
So, sang the song.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Long time after I have sang
Thank you,
this
sir. This
song.
was wonderful, sir.
It was very nice. It was very nice, sir.
It was
Yes,
beautiful, sir. It was
very-
beautiful. Marvelous, fantabulous, fantastic, everything, sir.
Shivoprio is going out of the orbitals. I think he's super excited today. Anyways, nice to see you all.
Sir, we have Dipankar Dutta Dada. He wants to share a few words with us. Dipankar Dada.
Dipankar, he also sing nice songs. He's also
Hello,
very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
We can have his voice.
Am I audible?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, sir, happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my respected faculty members, Partha sir, Nirupam sir, Abhishek sir, and all and on present here.
Thank you.
Hello.
God bless you.
Thank you very
Thank you. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, thank you very much for inviting us. पूरा एकदम मतलब हम लोग पूरा अपने दुनिया में चले गए. Thank you for inviting us. And really, I'm very much pleased to see Sonal and my fellow mates like Abhijit is there, Sylvie is there, our that time seer, and also I can see our super seniors like Khairulda and Gaurav Kurmida is also here. So can I sing one song?
Yes,
if you allow.
Please, Dada, please,
Yes,
Dada, go ahead.
please.
Yes, Dada.
You don't need to ask permission, please.
Okay. Thank you.
আমি আপোনাৰ লগত আছো।
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Go, Dipankar, go.
Oh, that's a Ripon voice, I think. Okay, let's start. तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, आंखों में नमी हंसी लबों पर क्या हाल है, क्या दिखा रहे हो, क्या हाल है, क्या दिखा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You are always so melodious, Dada. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dipankar Dada. You indeed. मुस्कुराने लगे आपके गाने को सुनकर एकदम. कोरोना का गम है फिर भी हम मुस्कुरा रहे हैं आपके गाने को सुनकर. बहुत खुश कर दिया आपने भैया.
Separated by pandemic.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I would just say, sir, one
Separated
word
by Corona,
more
united
away.
by Google Meet.
Yes, that's it. Wow, how do you know?
Yes,
how do you know these things?
rightly said.
And very good luck to all outgoing students, the recent best.
Thank you so much, Dada.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
Thank you so much, Dipankar Bhaiya.
Thank
I
you,
would
Dada,
like to
for your
thank-
performance, for your words.
I would-
Sonaldi wants to share a few words with us. Sonaldi, please.
Mridul, I couldn't thank Sir Nirupam and Sir Abhishek for performing the last song. So let me thank, please, if I can.
Oh, yes. Nirupam sir's song is left. Sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir.
thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much, sir, for keeping my request, sir. this small request of mine,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Saying 2 words. That's all with Abhishek sir.
It's beautiful, sir. Whatever you sing, it's like it's coming out of the goddess Saraswati, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, Sonal, proceed. Sonal, you want to say something? Proceed.
Yes. Okay. We final year students literally had no idea that this is how we will end up, and we will have to interact with each other and celebrate Teachers' Day via virtual meeting. So. I don't know whether if I'll have a chance to, deliver my speech for the. I would just like to conclude that all have been hands and our mentors throughout these 4 years, and I will seriously miss all my juniors and especially my classmates who have differently played a role in my life, like Devasmita, Kanaz, and Dhruva Jyoti. Everybody, they have always helped me with notes, and I still remember whenever there used to be exam, right before 1 or 2 days, I used to with Devasmita's head that please explain me about this chapter. So she has always been very much helpful for me in academics. And Shivopriyo, Rishabh, Rashmi being my very best friend, I was very glad to have them as my best friend, and I am seriously
You were lucky. You were
gonna miss
lucky.
all of you. Yes, so I will seriously miss all of you. Thank you so much for being so lovely throughout this journey. Actually, I had a lot of things to say in my on my farewell. 2 or 3 years back, I remember that I'm gonna say about all the good and bad
Sonal.
things. But this is how
Sonal.
it is ending up. And speaking of farewell, yes, Shivopriyo.
Sonal,
Yes.
this is not our farewell. This is not our farewell. Don't worry. This is not our farewell.
No,
have faith.
but,
Have faith. Have faith on the juniors.
Let's
This is
hope
not our
Mridul
farewell.
will
I
arrange
won't
another
accept that.
farewell party for us.
Yes, and we never know if we have the chance to, celebrate it together, being physically in our department. But thank you so much, everyone, for being so lovely throughout the journey. And it literally brings us to tears, speaking of, since we all are leaving this department. So thank you so much. We will miss you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonali, for your emotional speech. Thank you everybody. We'll miss you. We'll miss all of the final years a lot.
There was another thing
This,
that I heard.
last 6
Actually,
months.
Mridul. Hello, Mridul. Can you hear me?
Yes. What is it, Shivoda?
Yes.
Please share.
There was another rumor.
please.
There was another rumor that was that I heard in News Live last 2 days back. I
Okay.
heard that Sir Partho.
What's that?
I heard the Sir Partho had an amazing collection of poetries.
Oh yes. I too had heard this.
Yeah, you also
So
heard
we
that,
have
no?
Sir.
Is
Sir, we would love to hear from you.
Sir,
Partho,
sir, are you
sir.
there?
Partho
Yes,
sir
sir,
was
yes.
just right
Partho,
here.
sir.
Yeah, he's
Sir, a
here.
request from us all.
Please pardon, Mridul.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hi.
Sir. So please
Yes.
fulfill the request, sir. All of us are requesting.
What?
Sir, I heard, sir, that you have amazing collection of poetry, sir. Like
Sir?
from Bengali
Huh?
to English, sir.
Poetry,
sir,
sir,
I heard
poetry.
that, sir.
Poetry,
Poetry, sir,
I have no
poetry.
problem. Since my childhood, I have not recited. My daughter can recite. She
So,
Sir,
sir, we can
sir,
hear
it
from
would-
her.
it would-
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir, little bit. It will be a blessing for our ears, sir.
I can sing something, but I could not
Oh,
recite.
sir, please, sir, please, sir. I heard you can sing also, sir, in News Live, sir. Last
But
day,
I-
in News Live, sir, I saw, sir.
Much appreciated, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, once again.
This is called ninja technique of Shivapriya.
Shivapriya manages to collect news from everywhere, every time. Yeah. He knows everything.
I'm the paparazzi. Paparazzi.
দুটো লাইন গাইছি, আমার মনে নেই গানের ইয়েটা।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হবে স্যার।
Yes, sir.
जिंदगी का सफर ये मेरा कैसा सफर, ला 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 ला, जिंदगी का सफर ये मेरा कैसा सफर, समझाना नहीं। अब भूले গেছি হ্যাঁ কথাগুলো, ভেরি সরি, এইটুকুনি।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Your voice is as beautiful as you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
আমি
Thank you,
অ্যাকচুয়ালি
sir.
গান প্র্যাকটিস করি না,
Yes,
তো
sir.
গান ভালো মানে ওয়ার্ড
Sir,
গুলো না হলে হয়তো আমার গানের
hear
প্রতি
more
একটু
of you
ইন্টারেস্ট আছে।
during the physical classes, sir.
আপনার
Now we got to
voice
know
is
about
অনেক
this
সুন্দর,
now.
sir.
We'll ask
Thank
you
you, sir.
to sing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
I'm
Mridul.
leaving.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shall we
Yes,
leave?
sir.
Okay, good night,
Sir,
everyone. Good night.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
I wish
Everybody,
you,
all the best.
sir, all of you, sir,
All
for
the
joining
best
us
to everyone.
and making this event a grand success.
Stay
Okay,
safe.
thank you.
Take care.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
wish, sir, we could
Thank you, sir.
prolong this day, sir, with you, sir. I wish, sir.
Thank you,
But
everyone,
it's not
for
possible.
joining, and,
We can
special thank
interact
you,
again.
Mridul, for
Don't worry.
organizing such a
Time to
wonderful
time.
Yes, sir. I know, sir. I know, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being there.
Okay.
Thank you so much to all the teachers who were there
Yes, sir.
present with us.
Thank you,
Okay, I hope
Thank you so much, sir.
there will be a farewell session for you again. Farewell.
Sir, please come, sir. Please join, sir.
Yes, sir. If we could
We are
organize
hoping
this,
for
then
the
we can
best.
also organize
If this
virtually.
virtual Teachers Day celebration is successful one,
they-
sir, we are hoping for the best that we get a
No, they
farewell virtual.
desire,
Yes,
they
yes, we can
desire
also go for a
a
virtual
grand
farewell.
farewell. They desire.
Okay,
The
sir.
first
Yes, sir.
Mridul, you
You
have
know this,
raised
sir.
our expectation.
Okay.
Son knows our heart.
Thank
Son
you
knows
so
our
much.
heart.
You organize.
I'm overwhelmed.
You organize again. A
Yes,
farewell.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
For our seniors, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take care, everyone.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
to everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So happy
Indeed,
that we could
Mridul, it
end
really takes a
the
lot to
program in
make
a
a
grand way
event
within the
successful.
time, within the stipulated time.
You made this program a grand success, Mridul. Thank you for the initiative. You are a
Yes,
lovely, lovely
Shivapriya,
junior from
exactly. Mridul also needs to be appreciated. He have managed all this.
Yeah.
Made it,
Yeah.
made a schedule, and
I did-
informed everybody, starting from junior to senior to super senior. So Mridul,
Mridul.
you have done a wonderful job. I think you are fit for the post for CR. So
Mridul.
Mridul, please carry on the good work. Best wishes for your
Mridul,
future.
Mridul.
The most important thing, Mridul
let me
kept
tell
on
you this.
mailing everybody, each
Thank
and
you
every
so
person.
much. Thank you so much.
Mridul, let me tell you this. Always be this way, and you are a kind personality. You have a kind personality. Always be this way. I always tell you. I don't know whether you remember or not, but you remember. I know. So always be this way. You're a
Okay,
really good
so I
person.
think
Don't
the
worry,
Keep it up.
I'm the one who keeps reminding him every
Thank you,
day.
Nishat.
Okay, last but not the least,
Thank
thank
you
you to my
everyone for
seniors
joining
as
this.
well, because out of their hectic schedule, they have managed time to be here, because I know many of them
And,
are also doing jobs
yes, yes,
currently.
and-
So they have
and
definitely,
if I may-
put
Okay.
some time for this virtual meet. So thank you to my seniors, my super seniors. Thank you for being part of this program. And
Yes,
that's all. Good night. Everybody.
you so much, Arul.
Let me thank my super seniors too, because I know I am close to them. So let me please thank them. Thank you so much, my super seniors, for coming here, for joining this show, and for making this such a wonderful evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I
Subodha.
genuinely,
Thank you so much, Subodha. Thank you, Raju. Thank you for joining in your wonderful performance.
I have gratitude for you all. Thank you.
Finally, a huge round of applause for Mridul, please.
Chitrakan, Chitrakan.
Finally, Shivapriya have stopped talking. Okay, good night. That's okay.
Thank you so much,
Bye. Good night.
Dipankar, for joining us for the wonderful song. So
मृदुल
it's
अपना
already
फ्यूचर
8
में
p.m. and
अपना फ्यूचर में मृदुल नेता बनेगा.
मृदुल को पता नहीं, हम लोग को वो फेयरवेल दिलवा दे प्लीज.
नेता बनने का पूरा
ठीक है,
क्वालिटी है
अब
मृदुल में.
नेक्स्ट एंडेवर फेयरवेल का होगा तो फिर.
He literally does have the leadership quality.
Thank you
चलो
all.
ठीक है, गुड नाइट, टेक केयर
Good night,
एवरीवन.
good night.
बाय बाय.
I'm so happy that we could finish the program as the right time. Like I had planned it from
Yeah,
6 p.m.
it's
to 8
sharp
p.m.
8.
and it's
Yeah,
perfectly 8 p.m. I'm so happy. Yes.
Mridu.
Thank you all. It was a wonderful experience meeting you all. So the program is over. And we'll meet again for the farewell.
हाँ, मृदुल is on cloud 9.
चुपचाप ऑर्गेनाइज कर लेना, बड़ा खो.
Okay, bye.
Yeah,
Bye bye all. Good
Yeah,
night.
bye.
Stay safe.
Good night, stay safe. Bye bye. God bless.
Bye.